Welcome to Ringside Collectibles Figure Insider. The longest reigning tag champs are here and they're ready to dominate the Spike competition. It's the crazy rare Classic 3-Packs 10 Demolition. The figures come in classic superstar style packaging with their stable name printed on the side and the pictures and stats on the back. This is a limited edition set. The interchangeable tag champs are all here. Axe, Smash, and Crush come decked out in their studded short tights and straps. Smash and Axe have special face paint that's a brighter turn from their individual releases. All three come with studded boots and special Spike masks as well. Crush is the real jewel here though. This is the only Demolition style figure of his. The set also comes with 2 tag team titles. This is one of, if not the hardest to find classic 3-pack set, so make sure you get a hold of it before they all disappear. Check out Ringside Collectibles at WrestlingFigures.com for the largest selection of wrestling figures on the internet.